Hi everyone, Mike here with another tech tip. This time we're getting ready for the holiday season with some timely cybersecurity advice. The holidays are a prime time for cyber scams, so understanding the top scams can help keep you safe. Let's dive into some of the big ones to watch out for. Phishing emails disguised as retailers. You might get emails that look like they're from your favorite stores, but they're actually phishing scams trying to steal your info. Here's how to stay safe. Double check the sender's email to make sure it's legit. Instead of clicking links, go directly to the retailer's site yourself and make sure you have antivirus and anti-phishing software installed. Fake charity solicitations. A lot of us like to give back around the holidays, and scammers know it. They set up fake charity websites to take advantage of that goodwill. Here's how to protect yourself. Research any charity before you donate. Don't let anyone pressure you to act quickly. Take your time, and always use secure payment methods like credit cards. Gift card scams. Gift cards are a go-to gift, but scammers love them too. They'll try to sell you cards at a discount or ask you to pay for something with a gift card. That's a big red flag. Stay safe by only buying gift cards from trusted sources, never paying for anything with gift cards, they're not meant for that, and if you're buying a physical gift card, check for any signs of tampering. Social media giveaway scams. Social media is full of holiday giveaways, but some are just scams trying to get your personal information. Here's what to watch for. Make sure the giveaway is from a verified account or official company page. Don't share any sensitive information and avoid clicking on any links from sources that you don't know. Mobile shopping app scams. Fake shopping apps are another big risk, and they can steal your data or even infect your phone with malware. Protect yourself by only downloading apps from the official Google Play or Apple App Store, checking the developer info and reading reviews first, and keeping your apps and phone updated. The bottom line is that the holiday season should be joyful, not stressful over cyber threats. By staying aware of these scams, you can help protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember to share these tips with friends and family so everyone can have a safe and happy holiday season free from cyber scams.